hear the noise? Do it again, lock again. Hello guys, welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today we're going to be working on this Nissan Note 2007. And ironically, this was the first ever problem, the first ever video in the channel, but with the other door. Hi, this is a Nissan Note 2007. The locking system has a pin right here that was sticking out. And it's happening with this one as well. Let me close the door here. Can you hear the noise? Do it again, lock again. And this is a really common problem with this car. Basically, the locking mechanism has a pin to align everything in place inside, and it pops out over time. It's a really common issue, and my video had quite a few comments saying that I did take everything apart. I took the lock apart, the lock out, and I had quite a few comments saying that it's possible to do from here, just removing this, the 3 Phillips screws, and you should be able to reach the pin and push the pin in where it holds everything in place. So I'll show you in a second. Right, so the 3 screws removed. Just gonna push the lock away a little bit. See if we can look inside. And there you are. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to focus on that, but can you see that pin sticking out? Basically, what we're gonna do is just try to push that pin in and try to get a bigger screwdriver. Let's see, it's the other side. When I did the other side, it was quite hard. The pin was quite stiff to go in. I think I managed to get behind it. It's hard to see. It's a bit further down. I think I got it. Yeah, I did. I did get it. Let me show you. See, the pin is pushed in now. It was down here somewhere. You can see now it was down here somewhere. It's hard to pinpoint where it was, but it was right there. So I managed to push it in. Right, so let's put the screws back in. Then I'll show you the difference in the noise. There we go, everything back in place. There we go, no more noise. So eventually, if that pin came out, I mean, I don't think it would came out. I don't think it had the room to come out, but all the mechanism inside the lock would break basically. But it's nice now. And that's it guys, very easy fix, but for sure very annoying. When I did the other side, I removed all the panels and everything, which was a lot more work involved. And thanks to your comments on that first ever video on the channel, it took me literally 5 minutes, so a lot easier. So I'd like to thank you all. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.